Mr. Counsel, you can't have a piecemeal. One piecemeal I will take from Rules 1955, from the date of initiation of inquiry till revision.
They have filed an saying that in terms of Rule 27(6) of the CCA rule, the de novo inquiry has been directed. I have filed a reply to that affidavit, my lord, that the IG has exercised his power under Rule 29D of the CRPF rules and not 27(6) of the CCA rules. And Rule 29D of the CRPF rules, my lord, only provides for further investigation and not de novo inquiry.
Yes, who is the third respondent?
Your Lordships, in compliance with Your Lordships order dated 38/22, Your Lordships, the DIG CRPF is here. Your Lordships, the post of IG is vacant at the moment. So being the next man, he has come, Your Lordships. And Your Lordships, so far as the query
he is a DIG?
The third respondent, Your Lordship, is the Inspector General. But that post is vacant at the moment.
Vacant?
Yes. So he is come. He is looking after the affairs at the moment. So he is come, Your Lordships. Your Lordships.
Who has filed affidavit?
Affidavit has been filed by him only.
Then ask him. Have they adopted CCA as well as CRPF for Rules 1955?
Your Lordships, Rule 102 of the CRPF rules, Your Lordships, provides, Your Lordships, applicability of central government rules and orders. 102 other conditions of service.
Rule 102.
The conditions of service of members of the force in respect of matters for which no provision is made in these rules shall be the same as are for the time being applicable to other officers of the Government of India of corresponding status. Since, Your Lordship, the procedures have not been provided in these rules, they have adopted the procedures.
No, where is the adoption?
The adoption.
They have not adopted CCA rules.
Your Lordships.
They have not adopted CCA rules.
Your Lordship, it says, for which no provision is made in these rules shall be the same as are for the time being applicable to other officers of the Government of India of corresponding status.
What is that? What is meant by that?
Your Lordship, so whatever is not provided for in these rules, they go by the CCS rules. That is the procedure he has explained, Your Lordships. And it is not that the entire CCS rules are adopted, it is just what is not provided for here, they take from there, Your Lordships. In matters of in matters of LTC or in these matters, pension, for that they go to the central government rules, Your Lordships.
Charge was framed under which rule?
29D, Your Lordship.
29? Charges framed?
Yes. Section 11 of CRPF under Rule 27 of CRPF rules, Your Lordship, memorandum of charge dated January.
Under Rule 27 of?
The CRPF rules, Your Lordship.
Where are the CRPF rules?
CRPF rule 27. CRPF rules 27, Your Lordships, procedure for the award of punishments. Discipline, Chapter 6. Chapter 6, Discipline, procedure for the award of punishments. A. The punishments shown as item 1 to 11 in column 2 of the table below may be inflicted or
Where
not.
is the appeal provision?
Appeal
Appeal rule 28 is there.
Appeal is, Your Lordship, Rule 28.
How can you resort now or jump to the CCA rules?
Your Lordship,
When you have everything is in these rules.
Your Lordship, because the
Insofar as initiation of inquiry
Your
against
Your Lordship,
CRPF
Rule 29 is the revision under which this order has been passed. Your Lordship, D, the Director General or Special Director General or the Additional Director General heading the zone or the Inspector General or the Deputy Inspector General may call for the records of award of any punishment and confirm, enhance, modify or annul the same, or make or direct further investigation to be made before passing such orders, provided that in case in which it is proposed to enhance the punishment, the accused shall be given an opportunity to show cause. Either the DIG had enhanced the punishment to dismissal from service. The matter went before the Inspector General. He set aside that order, reinstated the petitioner in service and ordered that fresh inquiry be made. That is what has happened. De novo, he ordered.
Where is the provision for fresh inquiry?
That they have taken from the CCS rules.
That can't be taken.
That they have taken under umbrage of Rule 102.
No.
That is what they have done, Your Lordships. That is what they have done. I will not say. They have taken umbrage of Rule 102 and gone into CCS rules because they say that there was no procedure, detailed procedures were not laid down in these CRPF rules. Therefore, they have taken the detailed
Which authority?
Ji?
Which authority has taken invoke Rule 102 read with CCA rule?
Your Lordship, that Inspector General. That is the Inspector General, Your Lordship. Inspector General.
On what date?
On date of the order 12/9/2000, Your Lordships.
12/9/2000.
The Commandant 133 BN CRPF will initiate a
That is without authority of law. CCA rules are not applicable.
Your Lordship, the wording is what he should have said was that should from the initial stage he should have the word he has used, Your Lordship, but seeing the gravity of the misdemeanor.
All right, but there is no provision.
Your Lordships, even that aside, Your Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, you can't have a piecemeal. One piecemeal I will take from Rules 1955, from the date of initiation of inquiry till revision. While passing revision, you switch over to CCA rule. How is it permissible?
Your Lordships, even in the CRPF rules, if the word de novo had not been there, he could have said.
No, where is that the power of remanding the matter under Rule 29?
29D is a further investigation to be made.
Further investigation you can do, but no question of de novo.
The charges are the same, Your Lordship. The charges are the same. He has not changed the charges.
No, that's all right. But you are permitted to only re-investigate.
Essentially, Your Lordship, that is. Your Lordship, because in the earlier proceedings, there had been some procedural mistake. Therefore, he set aside the order of the DIG. Removal from service order was set aside. The petitioner was reinstated in service, and he said, "You do the inquiry of
the later part is not. Later part is without authority of law.
Your Lordships, then
9 of CRPF rules.
Your Lordships, then from that stage where he found that some procedural error had happened.
All right, sir. After these many decades, you want to reinvestigate?
Not reinvestigate. From the stage of providing the copy of the inquiry report. From there
No,
they can proceed.
that is not the issue.
And my lord,
He was carrying narcotics, that
this
is,
matter was investigated
All
upon
right,
by the.
sir, let them invoke Rule 29. Yes, take down.